Hey, healthy, wealthy family. Welcome back to another episode where we bring you the best health and wellness tips. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates. Today, we're exploring the amazing health benefits of gardening. Whether you have a big backyard or a small balcony, gardening can do wonders for your mind and body. Let's dig in. Gardening isn't just about making your surroundings beautiful or growing your own food. It offers a range of health benefits that might surprise you. Let's explore how gardening can enhance your well-being. Gardening is a great form of physical exercise. It involves activities like digging, planting, weeding, and watering, which can help you stay active and fit. These activities improve your strength, stamina, and flexibility. Plus, spending time outdoors in the garden can boost your vitamin D levels from sunlight exposure. Gardening is a fantastic way to relieve stress. The repetitive tasks and the serene environment of a garden can help calm your mind. Studies have shown that gardening can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. It's a perfect way to unwind after a busy day. Gardening can significantly benefit your mental health. It provides a sense of purpose and accomplishment when you see your plants grow and thrive. It can also help combat symptoms of anxiety and depression by keeping your mind engaged and providing a healthy distraction. If you grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, gardening can improve your diet and nutrition. Homegrown produce is often fresher and more nutritious than store-bought options. Plus, gardening encourages you to eat more plant-based foods, which are beneficial for your overall health. 5. Enhanced immune system. Host. Spending time in the garden can boost your immune system. Exposure to the diverse microorganisms in soil can strengthen your immune system. This exposure can increase your body's resilience to various diseases and infections. 6. Social interaction. Host. Gardening can also be a social activity. Community gardens or gardening clubs are great places to meet new people and share tips and experiences. These interactions can improve your social well-being and create a sense of community. 7. Cognitive function. Host. Gardening activities can enhance cognitive functions, especially in older adults. Planning, problem-solving, and learning about plants stimulate your brain. It's a wonderful way to keep your mind sharp and engaged.